does it mean to be healthy? Is it simply the absence of illness? A clean medical report? A body free from disease? For generations, health was measured by what was missing. No fever, no infection, no diagnosis. But is that enough? In 1948, the World Health Organization offered a bold new vision. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Complete
Team, the latest
physical,
results show
mental,
improvement in the
and
patient.
social
Good.
well-being.
I'll adjust the dosage and monitor
Physical
for side
health
effects.
means a body that
Team, the
functions
latest results
with
show
strength
improvement in
and
the patient.
vitality.
Good. I'll adjust the dosage
Mental health
and monitor for
means
side effects.
emotional balance, resilience, and clarity of mind. And social health means connection, belonging, support. These dimensions are not separate. When one suffers, the others feel the impact. True health is balance. In a rapidly changing world, shaped by stress, technology, pandemics, and inequality, this definition feels more relevant than ever.
This is so
Health
good.
is not
It really
just
is. We earned
surviving.
this.
It is
So, our projections look
thriving.
good?
It is
Yes,
the
we're on track.
harmony of body, mind, and human connection. Health equals physical plus mental plus social well-being.